You know that girl you knew in high school who had a little bit of a quirky personality to her but was decent looking, and then you check up with on Facebook 10, 15 years later and you're amazed at what an absolute dumpster fire she's become? Well, that's what you're looking at right here. For those who can already tell what this car is, congratulations. For those who aren't familiar with it, this little piece in the window right here will tell you. It's a 1978 Lincoln Mark V Diamond Jubilee Edition. And if rode hard and put up wet were a car, it'd be this'n. I mean, it is bizarre. So bizarre. You've got a nice crack-free dash, decently intact passenger seats, aside from the top from sun damage. The rear seats are nice. Body's got some of the typical bubbling and rust issues you see with any vinyl top car. Surface rust here, little bit of rot, but yeah, let me open the door. The seat is stuck obnoxiously forward. I will get to that, but odometer says 52,000 miles. From that, I believe her. Let's pop the trunk in the hood and take a look there. Got a trunk release here. And the hood release there. Let's start in the trunk while she idles. And I'm going through this with you the first time, so let's see what we got. We got some weird little embroidered coin purse, side marker light, spare tire cover. Is it a? Interesting. It's one of the gold spare wheels. I don't know if they all came with that for a spare or not, but we've also got my absolute favorite thing to see in a car. Bunch of random wires, including plug wires. No, absolutely not a favorite thing. Let's see what's in these peanut cans. Body molding clips. And these are off of the blue Diamond Jubilee Edition. Valve cover gaskets. Exhaust manifold gaskets. Bunch of ashtrays. Ooh, more Christmas cookies. Nope. Not entirely sure what these are. Just random screws, I guess. Yeah, heavy duty battery cables. And the last of the surprise cans. Oh. Interesting. There's a jack in here. And unfortunately for me, she's missing her factory toolkit. Dang, that'd have been cool to have. Oh well. Let's take a look at what we do have, though. On the plus side, all of the letters on the Continental spare are there. It's got 4 different mix-match tires. Let's start over here. We've got executive with enough crack to supply a heavy disco party back in the 80s. Hankook. Oh look, the headlight doors are closed. And while we're at it, Diamond Jubilee golden badge and ridiculously, stupidly expensive faux crystal plastic hood ornament. Then on this wheel, we've got a Michelin. And we go back to this wheel, we've got high-end Vogue. Interesting. But now back to the car itself. Sorry to bounce around so much, but bunch of random fluids. Some lug nuts and a hairy seat, probably from a dog. Nice sunroof. Love the sunroof. Or I think it was called a moonroof, technically, on these. Whatever it is, it's interesting. And junkyard window, so obviously the glass has been replaced, but the proper one. Let's see. Can I look down in here? I don't know if you can see it, but the glass is in there for it. What are these? Lug nuts. Also another great sign. Rock Auto boxes. Well, probably won't be the first round of magnets this car gets. Let's see. Otherwise, that's about it for the outside, the interior. Now let's check under the hood. Dang, hood release. Always hard to do one-handed. Sorry about the bad image. I have to open the hood somehow. And they don't pay me enough for an assistant. So. Otherwise, under the hood, she's humming. Decent Bosch battery. New solenoid. New alternator. Yeah, she runs strong. It, to me, under here, looks like a 50,000 mile car. Hydro boost is leaking a little. That's always problematic. Yeah. She's a good old-fashioned 460 big block. Very nice. Yeah. Oh, that's just peachy. That got bent. Let me see there. There. That worked. Just bend it back into place and call it good. But yeah, the Diamond Jubilee edition featured a gold or blue colored grille to match everything else. It had a bunch of unique features, but why they sought to rattle can this thing black, I don't know. Could be worse. At least it didn't get scrapped. Clocks never work on these things. Ooh, hey, the miles to empty gauge actually works? Wow. The radio pulls in a signal. Well, color me impressed. Oh, yeah. Let's see what's in here, shall we? Stuck. And the knob is broken. That's okay. I got the only thing you need for this. Channel locks. You twist these things forward to work those doors, and backward to undo this. And we've got a replacement ignition cylinder. Ooh, that's a good find. Another golden Mark V badge. CB radio, factory CB car. Awesome. Hey, free pliers. All right. And back in here, we've got the knob for the controls. Ooh, 8-track tapes. Yeah, we've got Gene Watson that's horribly warped. Kitty Wells with no chance of ever playing again. And folk songs. Yep, this definitely has the feeling of an old person's car. I'm guessing an older lady. But I believe the 52,000 miles on it is correct. Put her into reverse. And we're going to have a little fun. Oh, cool. Heated mirrors. So we're into drive. That's actually not too bad. Brakes work pretty damn good. Backing up now. Drives real nice. She's a boat, but nothing wrong with the boat. As long as she floats. Do I dare test the roof? Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Oh, we got birds circling and a tree full of vultures. That's a great sign when you buy a new car. Oh well, back to having fun. A horrible pothole up ahead. Ha 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 ha! Take that. Whee! Oh yeah, she goes good. Power steer is making a lot of noise, but to be expected. Man, this thing's fun. Again, you can see that horrible pothole. Takes them like a champion. God, that's what these things are built for. High quality. Oh, the 70s. God, that was a weird time for American cars. Alright, let's put her in park and see if we can get the windows up. She's thinking about it. Almost there. Oh, that is stupendous. Come on, last little bit. Oh, there you go. Good enough. While we're at it, I should probably close this thing. And what do you know? She does work and she looks good. 76 miles till empty. Clock don't work, but that's just fine. We'll throw some fresh gas in her. Ooh, just noticed that. That is a bad reseal job on the windshield. Got the whole trim up here dirty, but you get what you pay for. And let me tell you, I didn't pay much. Oh, that's a cassette adapter. Utterly useless in a car with an 8-track, but, still fun. All right, let's shut her down.